Hey, and stop. Before you scroll, give me 2 minutes, because what I'm about to show you could completely change how your website makes money, and how you turn traffic into real profit, and how you stop losing visitors, starting today. Imagine this for a second. What if every visitor that landed on your website didn't just leave, but actually engaged, clicked subscribed, bought automatically? Sounds crazy? Let me ask you something. Be honest. Why are most websites still struggling to convert traffic? Think about it. You spend money on ads, you drive traffic, you build pages, and then nothing. Visitors come, they scroll, and they disappear. And what do? You try another tool, another plugin, another monthly subscription, $19 here, $49 there, $97 somewhere else. And still, low conversions, weak engagement, missed sales. And here's the frustrating part. Most of these tools don't even work together. You're stuck. Copy, paste, integrate, fix, test, repeat, over and over again. Meanwhile, smart marketers are doing something different. They're using conversion systems, not tools. So let me ask you, why are you running a 2026 business with a broken, outdated website setup? That's exactly why we built something completely different. Something smarter, something automated, something that actually converts. Introducing Converto AI, the AI-powered conversion engine that turns any website into a high-converting money machine in just 60 seconds. No coding, no complicated setup, no tool stacking, no monthly fees. Just plug it in, turn it on, and let AI handle the rest. Here's what happens once Converto AI is active. Visitors see real-time activity, builds instant trust. Smart pop-ups appear at the perfect moment. Urgency triggers push people to act now. Lead capture runs automatically in the background, which means more clicks, more leads, more sales, without changing your website. And here's the best part. Converto AI works on any website: WordPress, Shopify funnels, affiliate pages, even simple HTML sites. So no matter where your traffic comes from, you convert it. But wait, here's where it gets really powerful. This isn't just a tool for yourself. This is a business opportunity. Once you activate Converto AI, you can offer conversion optimization services to e-commerce stores, local businesses, agencies, affiliate marketers, and charge $300, $500, even $1,000 plus per website. Think about that. One client could pay for your entire system. Multiple clients? That's a serious income stream. And don't worry, Converto AI is beginner-friendly. No coding, no tech headaches. If you can copy and paste, you can use it. Now here's the kicker. Instead of paying monthly for multiple tools, you get everything in one system for a one-time payment. No subscriptions, no hidden fees, no upgrades forced on you. And you're fully protected with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Don't like it? You get every penny back, no risk. But here's the truth. Most people will keep doing what they've always done. Paying monthly, losing traffic, missing conversions. So here's the real question. Do you keep struggling with low conversions? Or do you activate Converto AI and turn your website into a profit machine? If you're ready to convert more visitors into buyers, capture leads automatically, eliminate monthly tool costs, start a high-income service, finally make your website work, then click below. Activate Converto AI. Turn your website into a conversion machine. No tools to juggle, no limits to hold you back, no wasted traffic ever again. This is your move. Don't miss it.